Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you all safe and fine. So, previous 3 videos we discussed about creating website using WordPress. And if someone watching this video want to create websites, I leave the link to those videos in description and I also add them in cards. Check them out. And in today's video we're going to see about best freelancing sites to start your freelancing career. So let's get into the video. First, we're going to see about Fiverr. Fiverr is like a large digital marketplace where freelancers sell their skills as a service to buyers. Fiverr offers lots of services such as writing, social media management, logo design, graphic design and so on. Fiverr has a second platform called Fiverr Pro. It is an enhanced version of first platform which is designed for business buyers and professional freelancers only. Good thing is it's completely free to join, but whenever a freelancer got a project, they must pay Fiverr a 20% commission on their project. For example, if a freelancer receives a $5 project, they will receive a $4 in return. Upwork is also a job platform for freelancers and people who are looking to hire freelancers. Go to Upwork website and complete the sign up process by hitting the button sign up as a freelancer. Once you completed signing up, you need to create a freelancer profile. You need to be very careful while creating a profile because your Upwork profile needs to be so professional. To have an account on Upwork, you actually don't have to pay anything, but they make money by taking a percentage of what you make with clients. So for every job that you land on Upwork, they take 20% cut from it. Third, we're going to see about TopTal. If you are a designer or a software developer, then TopTal is a freelancing platform you are looking for. So what's special about TopTal? You can easily integrate with work environment, which means you can access to certain collaboration and project management tools that buyers use. Freelancers are given maximum of 2 weeks of time so that you can decide whether you can work in this project or not. TopTal provides you quick recruitment. That means they find buyers for freelancers within 3 weeks. Next, we're going to see about Simply Hired. Simply Hired is a free job search engine that provides a lot of information you will need, like details on your local job market and salary pay to make a sound career move. Simply Hired finds job posting from all over the internet right from your place. You can search for a job by entering a location or industry, or if you already have a job and want to compare to other available positions, then Simply Hired will guide you through the job market in order to find out suitable positions for you. Next in our list is People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a UK-based freelancing market. It has started in 2007 and now it's been a huge popularity in the world. In People Per Hour, a client will hire you for hours for his project. Hourly price started at $10 and you can set the price like you want. There are many types of job categories in this marketplace, like technology and programming, writing and translation, design, digital marketing, branding and sales and so on. And last, we're going to see about Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is another freelancing site where you can find lots of jobs starting from website development, logo design, writing and marketing and lot more. As a freelancer, you can bid for the work and if the bid is selected, complete the work and get paid securely. Freelancers can upload examples of their previous work, keep hires informed of their progress while comparing tasks. One of the best things about Freelancer.com is that they provide secure payment options like wire transfers and PayPal. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I leave all the links in the description below and make sure to watch my other videos in my channel and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit those bell icon too to keep updated. So bye for now.